Okay, here's a second video of simplifying by combining like terms. So like I said earlier, what you're gonna wanna use is like basically ticks to say what goes together. So I have this 9x squared y minus 3x squared y plus 4y squared minus 21 plus y squared minus 2. So I'm gonna start off with here. I have a 9x squared y. What else goes with it? Well, it's only gonna be this minus 3x squared y. And when I look at that, 9, so these are both the same like I said in the previous video. So 9 minus 3 is going to be 6x squared y, and both of these things are taken care of. Now I have this positive 4y squared. Is there any other y squareds? Yes, there is. There's one right here. How many y squareds I see here? 1, because some people forget there's an invisible 1, so it's only 1 y squared there plus 4y squared. So 4 plus 1 is going to give you 5y squared, and that's going to be positive because they're both positive, okay? Now the last but not least, and let's not forget, let's check these off. Now the last but not least is just the two numbers, which is my 3 ticks. The 3 ticks go together. So I got a minus 21 minus 2. Most people would say it's minus 19. No, because if you owe 21 and you owe 2, since they're negatives, you're going to keep them together. Where's my marker? Keep dropping my marker. This is going to be negative 23. And when I say, then let's not forget to put our 3 ticks there. From there, you can see this problem is completed now. We took this big thing that had 6 things in it, and we changed it to 3 just by combining them. These 2 went together, these 2 went together, and these 2 went together. And there you go. You have your answer, okay? So now for the second problem, you got x squared, 8x squared minus 4x plus 7 plus 4x to the 3rd power minus x squared plus 7x minus 2. This looks like a big one. So we're going to use the same method to make it simple for ourselves. So the first thing I have here is an 8x squared. It's a positive 8x squared. Is there any other x squareds here? Yes, we have a minus x squared. So 8 minus 1 is going to make this 7x squared, okay? And these are checked off. Now the next thing I see is a minus 4x. I put my 2 ticks there. Now I'm looking for anything that just has an x in it. The only thing that has that is this plus 7x, okay? So now I have a minus 4 plus 7. If I owe 4 and I have 7, guess what? I still have 3. Then I can check those off to let me know the double ticks are done. Now, the next thing I have here is a constant, which is the positive 7. Is there any other constants, which are just numbers without letters? Yes, I have a negative 2 here. So I can put my 3 ticks here. I got a 7 minus 2. What's 7 minus 2? Of course, positive 5. Let's check these off. And the last thing that we have left is the thing that's standing by itself. I can just go ahead and write plus 4x to the 3rd. Okay, that would be your final answer. I know some people like this one being in the front since it's a higher degree. That's fine, but this is your answer, all of these terms.